Here's a room tour of our room number 4205 at Secrets Resort Playa Blanca Costa Mujeres. We stayed in a Preferred Club Junior Suite Tropical View with a king bed in June of 2025. We stayed 6 nights and were very comfortable here. Our room was in Building 4, the first number of the room number 4205, on the second floor, the second number of the room number 4205, and therefore we couldn't really see the ocean, but it was a really nice, private, clean, modern room with a view of the swim out down below and some nice trees. We had blackout drapes, which is a nice perk for me, and since we booked preferred club accommodations, it was closer to the pools and the beach than the non-preferred rooms. I loved the little cubby for resort staff to deliver room service. We ordered coffee and waters every morning on the app, set the delivery time, and it was in our cubby when we woke up. And you can turn on a light for them to grab the dirty dishes. Why don't all hotels and resorts do this? This is absolutely genius. Other than location, I don't know much of a difference between the preferred and non preferred rooms themselves. However, we did enjoy being preferred. Oh, baby, look at this. At this resort so we could enjoy all the pools, all the restaurants, and be closer to the main pools and the beach. I found it interesting to watch the pool staff clean the pools by getting into the water. The pools were always so nice and clean. The building has a nice elevator, and we were there in June and we never had to wait a long time to get the elevator. I liked also the large flat drawers for some reason. Sometimes it's the small things to put your clothes in. They leave drinks and snacks in the room for you, but we rarely use those mainly because we were only in the room for sleeping and for breakfast. There's a nice, easy to use safe in the room as well, which we utilize to keep our wallets, passports, and tip money in. We didn't use the inside tub, but I liked how it had the same wand as the shower, as was in the shower, which I absolutely loved the shower. We used the inside tub to hang our bathing suits and pool floats to dry, and the outside tub doesn't have bubbles or jets or whatever, but it is very large and roomy for 2 people. You can pull a divider up to give more privacy when looking towards the tub, shower, toilet, sink area from the bed area. However, we didn't really do that, and then you could kind of see through the glass door to the toilet. That's a small negative, just letting you know in case you don't like those kind of views. I loved the shower. I have a separate shower tour video. I'll link that below and in the cards for you. Also linked below in the cards is a full travel vlog of our trip, including pros and cons of the resort, shots of us in the pool with drinks and food, and what we ate at the restaurants. Let us know if you have any questions we can answer for you. My favorite restaurant was the French restaurant, and Scott's favorite food was the tacos. Thank you for watching Living Gratefully Travel Vlogs, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.